What up, youths? Good morning. Welcome to Wednesday. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. I know you're gonna get tired of me saying that, but that's just how I feel. So today, very few things on the agenda. We're gonna mostly be spending our time doing a scope activity on daylight savings time. But I really wanted to start today, and this will be a really short video. I really wanted to start today attempting a Zoom meeting. I will be very frank with you that I'm very nervous about this. So bear with me. I haven't used Zoom before at all, apart from being a part of a couple Zoom meetings. So this will be kind of our test run. A lot of you mentioned that you would really like to do a Zoom and want to interact. So this is our attempt. So we're going to start that at 9. It seems like that's when a lot of you start to begin your work on Google Classroom. I know some of you are like, good God, Ms. Pratt, really, 9 a.m.? You do not need to join if you don't want to. I can't imagine if all 75 of you that are on the Google Classroom joined at once, how that would be. But for those of us that are early birds or starting to get a routine, please join. Otherwise, I'll just be talking to myself, which is always a good time. But we're just going to talk about our SSR book. We'll just be, I'll provide some more specifics along with kind of the expectations and stuff once we all get on the Zoom. But you're going to see when this appears at 8 a.m., you're going to see this huge long thing. Really, all you need to know is it's going to start at 9. This is the link, and this is the information that you're going to need to get into the Zoom meeting, the ID and the password. Hit that renegade. So I think once you get in, you'll be in a waiting room. I think I'm the one that has to start it, and we'll just kind of go from there. But be ready to share something about what you're reading. Like I said, we'll probably have a focus point thinking about talking about characters. So think about a character that you want to speak to, and we'll try this out. So if you feel like 9 a.m. is like 3 a.m. to you, as it is to me, we, depending on how this goes, we will likely have another Zoom um, at a more appropriate hour. So that is what's going to happen first. And then your second work for the day is scope. I was going to do this with you all in class, but here we are. So kind of two things. You're going to see a link to the article. It's very short, and then there will be, it's called a quiz. Again, I'm not grading it. You're not even required to do it. You're not even required to read this if you don't. But again, it's all about keeping your brain working like the muscle it is, and not, leaving it there to just melt. So it's a quiz about the reading. You can have the reading opened and go back and forth, just to review some of the things that we've been working on, the kinds of question answering that is really important to know as a reader. And then just some constructed response questions down at the bottom to continue to develop your TLQCC skills. So that is open, and you are allowed to turn that in at any time, and I think I'll be able to release scores to you if you're curious, but that is all I have planned for today. So once you finish this video, find your way to Zoom, make sure your audio and everything is set up. You will be muted upon entry just because that's the best way to kind of crowd control this, and then we'll go from there. So have a good day, and I'll see you on Zoom at 9 a.m. If this is after 9 a.m. that you're watching this, I'm sorry that you couldn't join, but I will probably be able to upload the Zoom meeting as a video on here. So if you want to see what we got up to, you will maybe have that option. So I will see you all mañana. Have a fantastic day. Pet your dogs for me, please.